Today we're talking about measles, also known as rubeola. This is one of the most contagious viral infections out there. If you're exposed and not immune, you have a 90% chance of getting infected. Let's break this down. Measles spreads through respiratory droplets and even through the air. After exposure, symptoms typically appear in 10 to 14 days. It starts with fever, feeling unwell, cough, runny nose, and red eyes. Remember the 3 C's: cough, runny nose, and conjunctivitis. Then comes the telltale rash. It's red, bumpy, and starts on your face before spreading downward to your body and limbs. You can also see Koplik spots, tiny white spots inside the mouth. You're contagious from 4 days before the rash until 4 days after. Here's the serious part. 30% of people get complications like ear infections, pneumonia, or diarrhea. Rarely, it can cause brain inflammation. Infants, adults, pregnant women, and people with weak immune systems are at highest risk. The good news? Vaccination prevents measles effectively. If you suspect measles, see your doctor for testing. Stay safe, stay vaccinated, and protect yourself and your community. See you next time.